out these products at the same time.
Okay.
So,
Okay, you can put it in the middle.
Yes.
And we teach it together.
Listen. 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay. Where is the OT?
Ooh.
Where is the OT? Yes, yes, it's a mental case. I think this one is the OT.
2 part.
Let me check. Whoa, small size AC power supply. Let me check the interface. This one is MS uplink. Whoa, Gpon 2 port OT. This one must be the Gpon 2 port OT. G02. Yes, HSGQ G02.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
You say out the product at the same time.
Oh.
So we must add one more round. The final,
Okay,
who will be the
okay.
champion? Let's check.
Okay. Come on. I cannot wait.
Okay. Now, 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay. Whoa. Also the OT. AC power supply and let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Gpon ports.
4 part.
Yeah, 4 ports and uplink and the 410G SAP plus.
Oh, big
Let me
size.
check this one. Oh, this one I think it must be the HSGQ new Gpon solution G04R and it with one USB and one Type-C port. This one must be the HSGQ G04R, right?
Yes!
Yes!
Congratulations, Diamond!
Yay! And win!
Yes, you win!
A winner.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm so sad.
Yes. Okay, come on.
Okay, congratulations, our champion, Diamond!
Woo! Thank you. I'm very excited to get this.
And our
On you, HSGQ, Xpon on you. Yay! I get this. Yeah, take the picture from memory. Okay, I open it. I must be better this year. Okay, give me a clap. Okay. 好
I
，next
will
one.
defend